Hi everyone! This is Nomar of Kabagang Agency from Philippines, a rocket host here in Popo. My talent is singing
Buhay ko ngayon.
and dancing.
Sumaya, galing kong gumalaw. And guess what? Popo has a limited time event where you can win an exciting prizes. So how to join? Simply, just go to the Popo official Facebook page, Philippines, and then scroll and look for the post about the limited time event. So let's scroll and look for the limited time event. So here you can see the limited time event of Popo. Just click it and you can see we have a exciting prizes where you can win a super VIP and normal VIP and a diamond VIP. That is a 1 month VIP subscription for free. Okay? So the price pool for the reward 1 month normal VIP, and then reward 2, 1 month super VIP, and then reward 3 is 1 month diamond VIP. All right, exciting, 'di ba? So paano nga ba sumali at mag-register? Okay? So makikita ninyo doon sa post, register now. There is a link. You should click it. All right? And then when you click it, mapupunta po kayo doon sa page na to. Okay? So pagpunta nyo sa page na yan, naglo-loading. Okay, so pagpunta nyo sa page na yan, scroll down, and then you can see there's a two-way on how to get entries. Okay? So the first one is YouTube login. You should just click it, and then enter your account. Choose the account. Okay? Yes, that is very exciting. Okay? And then after logging in your YouTube account in the Gleam, this is what you will see. You will need to input your birthday para lang malaman natin that you are not a underage. Okay? So you just input your birthday. And then after inputting your birthday, you can click save. Alright? Okay. So after clicking save, you should just verify if you are human. Okay? And then, after verifying that you are human, as you can see, meron na tayong isang entry. Alright, isang entry agad dyan. And then next, sa baba, visit Popo official YouTube channel. And then, you just need to click the, and then click this, and you will be redirected onto the Popo official YouTube channel. All you do is just to click subscribe. And then after subscribing the Popo official YouTube channel, just go back to the Gleam. And then click continue. After clicking continue, you earn again another entry. Plus 3 entry, that's 4 entries. But wait, there's more. You can earn more entries just by getting your extra entries. So meron kayong plus 1 entries. Okay, click nyo yung 1 plus 1 per day, and then may lalabas dyan. Click nyo lang yan, and then you will be redirected to a video that posted by the Popo official YouTube channel. And after watching that, you will go back to the game, and then you can see the confirm. Click the confirm, and then, tada! You have 5 entries! Alright? So, ganun lang po kadali sumali no, doon sa ating Popo Limited official event. Okay? So prize pools will be unlocked tuwing kailan? Okay? So yung tatlong prize pool natin, it will be unlocked if the channel hits 60K followers before June 20. So ano pang iniintay ninyo? Mag-register na, i-follow na ang ating Popo official YouTube channel. And also follow nyo na din ang ating Popo official Facebook channel. And then, para ma-unlock ang ating reward 2, the channel must hit 80K followers before 25th of June. And then, to the third reward, the channel hit 100K followers before June 30. Okay. So, ganun lang po kadali sumali. At mananalo na kayo at pwede na kayong manalo ng ating 1-month free VIP subscription. Okay? So, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Mag-create na kayo ng inyong account kung wala pa kayong account. And then, follow the Popo official YouTube channel. Follow nyo lang po yung steps na binanggit ko para mapunta kayo or makakuha kayo ng inyong entries. Alright, let's go! And so again, greetings dear all elite and base salary hosts. YouTube Post Test has been released. You could earn up to $255 for one post on YouTube. It's time to turn your influence into a rich bonus. Kindly check details below and enjoy your days in Popo. Alright, sa mga kapwa ko base salary hosts dyan, YouTube Post Task has been released by Popo. Meron po tayong link doon sa description. And then, click nyo lang po yung link sa description para malaman po ninyo kung ano po or kung paano po sumali at gumawa ng task. Alright, let's go! Thank you very much, Ma'am Anabelia. Hello kay Kil Kohari Gurong, Shawi, and Safina Hamad. Alright. So magsama-sama tayo hanggang mamaya. Gusto niyo bang kantahan ko kayo?